Good day, science explorers. Sir Cedric here. Today we are going to talk about acceleration. You may say that acceleration happened only if an object speeds up. But it is just part of the whole idea of acceleration. Acceleration is the change in velocity over period of time. Acceleration happens when a body speeds up or slows down, change direction or both. It can be positive or negative depending on the change. If you get a positive value, it is called positive acceleration. But if you get a negative value, it is called negative acceleration or deceleration. To calculate acceleration, you can use the equation, acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. The standard international unit is meters per second square. If you encounter kilometer or hour, you need to convert first. There are three common situations when calculating acceleration. Situation 1. If a body is at rest, then moves into its max speed. If read the word, from rest, the object's initial velocity is 0. Example. A car starts from rest and reaches a velocity of 44 meters per second in 4 seconds. Calculate its acceleration. In this situation, we clearly see that the car is from rest then reached 44 meters per second, so our initial velocity is 0. Since we need two values of velocity, so basically 44 meters per second is final velocity then time is 4 seconds. If we substitute all the values to the formula, we end up like this. Our final answer will be 11 meters per second squared. Situation 2. If a body moving, then goes into a complete stop. The object's final velocity is 0. Example. A cyclist is traveling at 12 meters per second. They see a red light and come to a complete stop in 6 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. The first sentence tells that the object is already moving, then the second sentence tells us that when they see the red light, it stopped. Meaning the final velocity is 0, and 12 meters per second is the initial velocity then time is 6 seconds. If we substitute the values into the equation, we get negative 2 meters per second squared. Situation 3. If a body moving, then moves faster or slower. Example. A car enters a motorway at 15 meters per second. The driver pushes the accelerator, and 10 seconds later, then the car is traveling at 31 meters per second. What was the car's acceleration? In this third situation, there is no from rest and no stopping, just from one velocity to another. Our concern here to get a correct answer is which is the initial and the final velocity. Now we use our imagination and comprehension. If you focus on the second sentence, we can read that the driver pushes the accelerator, then the car is at 31 meters per second. So, 31 meters per second is our final velocity while 15 meters per second is our initial velocity where time is 10 seconds. If we substitute the values to the formula, we will get 1.6 meters per second squared. And there you have it, you already started the journey to understand acceleration. See you next time.